Okay guys, today we are on the bench. This is a concrete audio guys. Yeah, you see concrete audio Ca800.4 Pro. So this is a 4-channel amplifier guys, as you can see from here, with some big input terminal for the voltage, input. So like, wow, that's kind of mono black style, but to have that for the 4-channel, this one, that's kind of weird. I guess this pack a lot of punch, and then the front panel looks like this guys. The inside look like this. Alright, so guys, I have a problem with this phone guys. If I show some stuff, it's showing upside down or somewhere. Like I have the speakers on here on my left side, I'm watching it, it's on my right side, and this, I don't know what to, I'm trying to find out where in the phone something is wrong, but I can't seem to find anything. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fix that, or maybe that's the way the phone is. But yeah, I didn't take enough time to really figure out what's going on. But yeah, I'll figure it out soon guys. Alright, so guys, here is what we have. We kind of dusty amplifiers. You can see right here, it's a lot of dust. It's like it having fan, and this amplifier don't have a fan, so it's kind of weird how much dust get inside. Look at here guys. Yeah, that's a lot of dust. Yeah, I don't like dirty circuit board guys, so. And the funny thing about this amplifier, I like it. Here, the layout of the circuit is identical. Everything here, this side is on this, so 4 channels, everything's identical. So if you have one side burnt out, you can copy out this side or copy out, you don't figure out what goes where. And this preamp board is plugged in. Really, I like that when they plugged in like that, you can easily take them off. You can see guys, it's plugged in. We could, screw here and then just lift this up. Alright, these two right are really firmly, firmly placed to the circuit here. Power supply caps, 2200 microfarad, 35 volts. Filter caps, 50 volts, 4700 microfarad or 4700 UF, whichever way you guys want to say it. And the problem with this guys, I saw it from early. I didn't try to pour it on, but I got it and they say it's in protection mode. So I said, alright, I'm not gonna even pour it up. But here you could see right here, speaker output for this terminal for the, what channels are these? Channel 1 and channel 1 and 3 maybe, I think. Yeah, you have some resistor here, which is the point yellow, violet, gold. That's some 0.7 ohms, I think guys. That would be some 0.47, something like that. So, and there's a capacitor that's burned, which is a 104J, 63 volts. So that's 104 microfarad at 63 volts. It's right here guys, you could see them burnt to crisp. The ones on the other side over here, you could see how they're pretty, but these, they really burnt up. They smoke up, and the capacitor is right there guys, right there, that blue little thing bursted. And there's another one here that I copy. I have to figure out what to dump on it guys. Yeah, that burnt up. So now I'm going to take this apart by doing it here. So this is the way I remove these guys, I told you before. It's an Allen key. You just pop them off like that, and they even go down in the, And while doing this guy, please don't let these drop fell in the circuit, because that, if the capacitor is charged and still have some charging left, man, that thing, yeah. Ow, you would hear a loud explosion that you don't want to hear. Well, here, a loud explosion that you don't want. Really wanna, yeah. So let's go ahead guys and see if we have any output burn, which I figure maybe more or less yes. Let me see the output. This is Super Juice, the 36 and the 37. Those are the regular. These look like that, but not sure this part number if it's 36 or 37 guys, but it's A1695 and C4468. That's the output transistors, I mean guys. Output transistor. Yes guys, so yep. Yeah, this side is the side that, guys, a lot of time I always I never move the front panel here. Yes, sorry guys, catching the cold. And now we'll just screw these out. We're gonna take 2 screws from up here. Let's see, 2 screws. These are the top here. Let's use a drill for this one here really quick. This one doesn't connect for anything. All right. Oh, this. Oh my words! I have to take it from the panel out because this one come up like that. Oh man! For this long time, I haven't removed a front panel off a amplifier, and I know I have to do it. Jesus, can you imagine? This, I think, is the second time in a long time. I think I did this with that some other amplifier the other day. I don't remember if it was a tar amp because I repeat those like, I don't know. I would say every day. Believe me, guys, if I say I repair a tar amp every day, guys, don't disbelieve me. It shouldn't be every day, but too frequently I repair those, it's like a joke sometimes. Something with those amplifier, guys, that some people are not understanding. They're underpowering them with a lot of like, well, power. Battery, I think they kind of stock battery system and run those amplifiers. You need to upgrade. I think that's the biggest problem because those amplifiers are really, they do their stuff, you know. But you know, I'm just saying, guys, that's what happened. But those amplifiers are really good stuff. That's like I say, I never can understand why they burnt up like that a lot of time. I have a bunch of them here. To tell you the truth, guys, a lot of Korean amplifiers don't have a lot of Korean amplifiers sitting because their circuit board doesn't burn like to a crisp sometimes like the Taram. Just to tell you the truth, guys, I don't have that problem with a lot of Korean amp. Yeah, parts burned, yeah, but not like, you know, circuit and everything like smoke up. You can't even repair some of them. I have to say, hey, yeah, this one is not repairable. Okay, if I work an amplifier, I say it's not repairable, believe me, it's not. It doesn't even make sense unless somebody trying to prove something, you know. But yeah, like for some people who really have time, I don't really have time to do all of stuff, guys. I just want to make it work, show you how I make it work, and then move on, guys. Because to sit down and say, oh, this, that, no, that's not me. I'm too busy, guys. That's why I don't do a lot of stuff. Just letting you guys know from now. Yeah, I could have shared a lot more stuff sometimes, like explain some stuff, but a lot of people there can show you the stuff like that where you can watch, you know. People on YouTube, like Sam, Eberg, they can definitely let you guys know if you know the channel. And yeah, oh man, right, this is inside. So here, guys, like funny thing, look at this. So these amplifier was pushed in, I think, from this way down. That's why a lot of time I have to remove these and put on top. So I always pull it out from the back. So that's the reason why a lot of time these bump in the way. So see that? I can go this way now. I have to push it forward that way first. Yeah. And this is a chassis, guys, for this amplifier, this concrete audio. Looking good. Chassis is looking good. Turn that around so the kid don't play with that heat compound. So yes, guys, right here you could see, yeah. Here's this disaster zone right here. Disaster zone right here. Let me plug this in here. And yep. Resistor 113. Hold on. Oh, resistor 399 and resistor 199, guys. They are burnt up. And these resistor color code is yellow, violet, gold. So there's a capacitor, which is capacitor C399, which is 104J 63 volts. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. So that's what I'm gonna be replacing in this amplifier, guys. And I think I'm gonna have to let me see here. Have some circuit. And you can see back here, guys. The circuit looks really pretty. Yeah, let me show you that so it doesn't be back clear. Yeah. That's giving a. Yeah, guys, circuit is really looking really good. All right, let me go up this way. Oh yeah, I was crossing those pins. That's not a shot, guys. Don't worry, guys. That's not a shot. I accidentally pulled the next side. That's yeah, guys. Sometimes I just do this, guys, just to if I get any shots and stuff like that, anything shorting out. So this is what you call like a run through, I would say. One of these could still be bad, guys. And not reading and not shorting out. So yeah, that's how it goes. It doesn't have to beep and say yeah it's shorting out, guys. Sometimes give you a high reading like some thousand and both channel back and front. Yeah, and you'll be like, why is it giving me that reading? God, it's bad. So don't believe, guys, when these most transistors go bad, they don't always give you that beep reading there. Sometimes they're bad and they don't do that. So take in consideration, guys. Yeah. So let me go here now. Do this. Alright, that's capacitor reading. You could see that on the screen. It's cap. It's not going to zero. Guys, it's reading and it's going up. So that means the capacitor is still having some charge. Or it's circuit reading for somehow. And that one too. So that's the power supply. These are the diodes right here, recovery diode. So doing this, it should be like, let me see here. What I'm going to do, guys, supposed to beep like this. No, this. Hold on. What is these are? Let me see here. Oh, these are the diodes. So those are transistors over here. Come on. Yep. What transistor is this? These are some. Oh, okay. This is diode. So this reads. So this. Let's see. So this. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. So this is where this read like this. And it stop. And we read it goes straight up to 4 something or 403, 403. And this side should read, yeah, or the side should be this from here. Hold on. So, oh wow. Oh wow. This diode's okay. Huh. The diode sign, guys, go that. Oh shit. So supposed to read this like this. Okay, I see what they did. Alright, come on, stop. Alright. Just making sure these are not charging out. Really? Come on. Stop. Yep. Alright. You good there, guys. No. It's the way these diodes are. The sign are placed one after the other, like. Like, let me show you guys. Let me give you a show. Well, I don't know if it's gonna show that. It shows like this, guys. The diode sign is like this. Like that. And that. Then it goes like this again. And that. And that. You guys could see that's what the diodes are like this. And this, guys. That's kind of that don't normally happen. They even turn back to back like this one facing this one, are these two arrow, these two slots facing out, but on this they go the other way around. So that's really unique. Alright, so let me go ahead guys and see if I can remove these resistor right here. And then remove that capacitor. I think the cap is right here. Let me just remove that capacitor. Alright, come on. Oh, that's why that thing was burnt. I see. This resistor connect straight to the side of that capacitor. So if that goes down, the cap is gonna go down. Man, yeah, they were blasting this thing for sure. Alright guys. It's strange. Right. Let's go ahead and try get what this side. Oh, this is the side I took up. Uh-oh. Something fell out. I don't know what the heck is that, guys, but something fell from this. Something's. Come on. I got one. Holy crap, it broke. Alright guys, so let me show you these little toasted resistor, which is yellow, violet, gold, yellow, violet, gold. So get one of those. I'm gonna wash here the circuit board here, and there have some transistors right here too, guys. Some rectifier like transistor. Let me see, read them. This seems to be working okay. There's a diode here. I think oh man, this thing is. Alright guys, I did want to show you guys something about this capacitor, but it's really burnt bad. It burned really bad. What I was replacing one, but that's the wrong one I was taking from the circuit. One that really burned is up here. So yes guys, this one's gonna come out in like some ash. This one is gonna come out in ash, guys. real ash. I tell you, yeah, this burnt up so bad. This capacitor burnt so bad. It's yes, guys. It comes out like looking like in pieces, guys. So you could see that. That's what left off the capacitor. 104J63. So yeah. All right. So let me wash this circuit, guys, and then when I'm installing the parts, I'll let you guys know. So please stay tuned, guys. Get this circuit board clean and get back with you guys. All right. Give me a minute. All right, guys. So now I installed the two the two resistors, guys. I just remember that I wasn't recording. Sorry about that, guys. So let's record. We have one of these here, guys, which is the 104J 63 volts capacitor. So I'm gonna install this right now so you guys can see. Okay. Don't worry, guys. It doesn't have any particular way you turn this. Any way you turn it, it would work. Just it doesn't have a polarity in it, so you don't have to worry. Yeah. Any way you put it, it's good. Any way you turn it, it's good, guys. Not any way you put it. That doesn't sound too. Oh boy. All right. So, man, I like the solder they use, guys. This solder is easy to melt. The one they have on the circuit. Damn. Wow. It's amazing. It's like it's a lead solder. Definitely. Because this solder wouldn't be melting those big giants like that. Definitely lead solder. Because I don't know. I love lead solder. I need some. I don't know. They say, I guys I always cut these little pin off. Because this can just mess you up sometime. So I always, these extra long, pointy pins and some of these parts in the circuit, like output. Yeah, I always clip them off, guys. I like doing that because it's just sometimes they mess you up. They cut your hand, like when you try to, turn the circuit around and stuff like that. And sometimes even touching the chassis for some reason. Sometimes I get that a lot with some amplifiers. The idea I get a Taram Smart, some with that same problem. One of these touching the chassis, when they screw it down, they screw the screw too, too much, and it's pressed, and it touch it, the chassis, and I see the sparks on it, and I was like, wow. That one I didn't make a video of, guys. Sorry about that, but anytime I get one like that, I can definitely make a video of it. All right. All right. So yeah. All right. So yeah, guys. This is where this look like right here now. I replace those yep, those are replaced. Yellow, violet, gold. Yep. That's 4.7 ohms, guys. So yeah, that's 4.7 ohms right here. These one. So yeah, I could hook it up and see if all is well, but before doing that, I like to go over the circuit, make sure everything is okay. I didn't have any bad power supply MOSFET. I didn't find any. That's really bad. Anything should be wrong is on the output. So let me see which side control this side. So I'm gonna read from one of the pin of the resistor to up. All right. So no, that's not it. To one of this side here. I will see read to one of these resistors sometime. Okay. Not that, nothing like that. Alright, nothing like that. Alright. trying to find which channel is this. So I guess I'll go try another way of figuring out what channel is this. Apparent. That's not that. So I go tap, you know. Aha, so I got a straight reading from this side here, guys. So put my focus right here, guys. This side. So I'm gonna check all the transistors here, which is 4 and 4. By the way that burned, I couldn't believe that it wouldn't take any output with it, which is seems like everything is okay here. Check this driver transistor right there. Seems everything is okay. So let's say this side is one. This is the other side. Wow. It seems to read perfectly fine, guys. So let's see here now. Very conscious. No burn power supply, MOSFET, nothing like that. So alright, so let me try to some power to it. See what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's come on. Let's get on my way. That wire. I'm telling you guys, this power section is some oversized wire. This should be. Let's make sure, guys, before I smoke up this amplifier. So that's the ground. So inward is the right here. Is the positive. Negative is on the outside. Right, so here you go. Alright guys, let's see now. So I didn't have any major damage with this amplifier, so I'm gonna pour it up and see what happens. And the power light is here, guys, right here. So let's see what goes on. See if anything goes on. Okay, it goes to green, guys. You guys could see it, green light. Oh yeah, green light right under there. Pour it off when you see that. Then you come check these, check everything here. Alright, everything seems to be cool like puppy nose, as you would say. Alright, I'm going to plug. Holy crap, look at this, guys. Look at how dusty this damn thing is, guys. Look at that. Yeah, something close to this did have been a fan or something. Right, so guys, Let me plug this on now. Let me plug this right on. So like what I put, I already pulled that. Hold on, why is this bent this way? Oh my words, this was bent. Three pin was bent there. That's not now. That shouldn't be happening. Right. So here, guys, is where I'm gonna just screw this circuit down because I did already take the face off. So I don't have to, you know. Yikes! 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 Come on. So, guys, wow. Sorry about that. Jeez. So now here, let me see what is what and what is not what, or what is. So I'm gonna just set these guys at some, like, let me set them at full. Decide at full. Let me get right here. Find a screwdriver so I can just adjust the gain and stuff like that. This is not the one I normally use, guys, but I'm gonna use it for now. Turn everything down, guys. So these are the gain for both channels. So 1 and 2, yep. So here. Da, 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 da. So, alright, guys. So, what I'm going to do now, the circuit is gonna be flat. Then I'm using 2 electrical tape here, because sometimes there's some stuff on the circuit board, and, you know, on the board here, on the workbench, guys, not the circuit board, on the workbench. On the workbench. Uh-oh. Well, hold on. Oh, Shadrach. I'm gonna have to flip this guy, so I don't really need these. Yeah, I don't need these anymore, guys, because I'm gonna have to flip this. And let me unplug this out of hand for now. So I can do some testing. Alright. Speak out, guys. So let's see. Gonna do some testing. Gonna have to find some YouTube non-copyright. Wow, Ray, and stuff like that. Alright, guys, give me a minute right here. Alright, guys, I pour on. Let's see what I get. Uh-oh, let's check here. Alright, yeah, validated right there. Let's see. I switch everything. I didn't even check the current voltage, guys, on this. It wasn't playing? Huh. Was on. No, something has to be not right here. Let me check. Some volts on the output. So here, guys, this I should be getting, 34, 30. Yeah. Why am I not getting any? Nothing's overeating. hold on, let me check if I do everything right here, guys. I could maybe do something wrong here. The full here is in the middle. Yeah, full is in the middle. Yep. Over here, high, bass. This should turn down. I think these are the ends 1 and 3. This channel. So any channel should be playing. It should be up here. Your audio. Huh. Alright, guys, we're not getting any audio for some reason. Let me check. Hold on. If I did something wrong here. Yikes. Let's see. Alright, everything is plugged in on this board right here. Everything is plugged in. Everything is plugged in. Everything looks. Holy crap. So let's see here. Hold on. Let's see, am I recording still? Yes, I'm recording. So let's see, guys, why I'm not getting any sound. Hold on. Hold on a minute. So these are mid. So these, them turn it up a little. So these here should go. We didn't get any audio, guys. No audio from this amplifier. So I'm going to find out where that audio cut off for some strange reason. These are not cold. I'm saying, wow, what are they getting any? Check the volts on these. Sorry, guys. Let's check something, guys. Something's not. That's kind of. Oh, yeah. That's good. 35, 34, 34. Oh, yeah, 34, 34, 34. No, this thing should be playing. I don't know what game the damn thing playing with me, guys. This thing should be playing. Let me see what's going on here. I don't know. No, this amplifier should be playing unless the preamp here has some voltage problem. Or the speaker. Let me check the speaker here, guys. 8 ohms, that's good. No, something's not right. I hear sound there. Why is this sounding like, oh. Switch. Okay, guys, I found the problem. This switch, guys. Look at this guy. Whenever I'm gonna replace both of them. See this one? Hear that, guys? Let me put it back here. Let's see if you guys see. So I replace this with a lot of time. See, I hold my finger on the switch. I'm gonna just replace the switch, guys. Alright. So switch guy, we have some switch problem here, guys. Some faulty switch. I told you guys those dust and stuff. You see I cleaned it just now. Those will mess these amplifier up. So this is the one on the circuit itself, the one on this too. So I'm going to replace switches, guys. See, as an idiot, you have to know your stuff to know where to look sometime because yeah. So inputs, I'm gonna have to replace this switch right here, guys, which is let me see if I have any in stock. All right, so this goes like this plugs down like this, so it's gonna be this one on this side, yeah, and then this one down here, and this portion is gonna be this here. Let me mark it, that little one there, and then this one right here. Those switch, maybe I replace, these are not the same, so alright guys, so let's see. We're gonna replace some switches, guys. Some switch. See if I have it in stock. Switch. Other side switch. Right, 2 pin down here, and you have 3 up. Alright guys. Aha. I have these switches in stock, like a lot of them, guys. Yeah. And they normally go these 3-way switch, guys. Yeah. And a lot of amplifiers. So yep. Let's go ahead and see. Give me a minute, guys. Alright guys, just woo! Really? Amplifier's off. What the heck am I doing with that much volts up here? Holy crap. I think it's the solder wire I got bridge between the output. Oh my god. Oh, one of the pin on the output, guys, and then it causes sparks. Like, what the heck? God, please don't let me have another problem after this. Yikes. Sometimes some stuff happen, God, you wonder. Sometimes, guys, stuff happen, guys, don't worry. Hoopsie. Yes, guys, so this is what that comes out looking like that with that little green glue what there. But I'm gonna put here some, this one doesn't have it, like this. So let's go install. Man, look at that guy, that thing fit like gloves. Like a gloves. Yikes. Woo. Yes, guys, dust will get in these switches that mess them up, guys, like that, you know. Please, guys, sometimes, you know. I know some people do it like tear the amplifier right now just to figure out what's going on. But it's just these switches, guys. This damn switch. And this board, remember guys, I clean this board up too. Yeah. So that means that this switch is really, really bad. So let me get a electrical tape so I don't mess up this point and this thing right here. And you put it in like that, guys. So these little here, yeah, these, yeah, you don't mess these up. So you put it like this. But you know, what I'm replacing is this one. Definitely, man. Am I right? I think so, yeah. Oh my god, I take this switch right apart, guys. Can you imagine this thing come apart? Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Why is it holding in the circuit that long? That's kind of messed up. Oh wow. Yeah, this didn't come out. Uh-oh. My bad. Uh-oh. Yeah, this guy didn't clean out very good. That's why that happened. Yikes. Right, guys, out and in with the new. Just like that. Look at that. That didn't fit like a glove, guys. In with the new. Alright. Let's start it up. Go for a test. right. All right. Let's see now. Whew, 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 whew. Mhm. So now, yes, guys. So let's see now what's going on. Let's see what's going on with this report. Oh, almost 1 minute. Something well, almost 1 hour. I'm saying 1 minute. Ay, 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 ay. Didn't know I could do that on this phone. Jesus. Next time I'm gonna have to practice doing it because I didn't know. Just a test I said I was gonna give it. I have a lot of memory says like 500 storage. Yeah, guys, this is one of these TCL, TCL, yeah, TCL, yeah, not TLC, TCL. All right, so let's go, guys, again. I replaced all those switches. Put these switches in full mode, and then get the speaker. Short point on. It's parked just now, guys. Let me check on our output here if anything goes. Anything messed up here. Let me point on and see if anything goes on. Right. Doesn't seem to be having any problem. Having any problem. Let's just see. Alright. So let's just see, guys. So I have here which side I should test first. See that, guys? Just like that, guys. Where's the switch, man? Where's the switch? Just the switches, guys. Just the switches. Let's test the other side, guys, and see what's going on. What's going on? Let's see. Oh yeah, guys, everything is up and running. As you can hear. Alright, guys, as I said before, don't practice doing this without putting this to the chassis. But up and running, it's good, it's working fine. Put the speaker back where it's supposed to be. And yeah, that's it, guys, for the repair of this amplifier, guys. So wow, these are not even warm. Nothing. Wow. Jeez, that's weird. Even the resistors, this amplifier, guys, this circuit was really nice. I like how it built two-sided and this concrete audio says, guys, it look like it pack a little punch. Yeah, it does look like it pack a little punch with these oversized poor input. I was like, wow. Yeah, pack a little punch. So yeah, definitely. So it's working fine. The problem was, guys, see one of these switches come apart and you could see the interior of it, a lot of them. A lot of it here in my hands. We have some, spring. These are the things you go between each leg to, with switch from what channel to what channel, or switch from, low pass to high pass and all that stuff with these bridge. These, you could see, guys, on this. Oh, yeah, you guys won't even be able to see. These things are black, guys. They're black. They could make any contact. They're dirty. So that's the reason why this amplifier, wasn't doing that just now. But yeah, everything is up and running. So please like, subscribe, guys, and definitely, guys, see you on the next one. So Cardi and Cardi, guys, will be out for now of this repair of this 4-channel amplifier, concrete audio 4-channel. Yeah, this is it, guys. So that's a repair, full repair, guys, video. I think this is the first time I do such a long video in one. So yeah, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and definitely, guys, see you on the next one. All right, Cardi and Cardi out for now.